everyone, this is Jan. This is day 22, part 1, cruise day 17. And we are in Oranjestad, Aruba. And we've been here many times before. And the standard operating procedure is that you arrive somewhere around 12:30 in the morning, and you depart at 10 at night. That allows you time to take in some of the nightlife, if that's the particular thing you like to do. We just tour around and then we come back to the ship. This time we tied up at a different dock because the other dock was full. We were more or less on a parking lot, and they put the ramps up for us to get down, and it was fine, other than we were a little further away from town and had a little bit further to walk, that's okay. We looked around town because I was after a specific thing. My camera fell, and the clips at the bottom of the housing that holds the camera broke. Bruce glued it for me, and it held a couple months. And then it broke again. And he glued it again, but we couldn't get a good fit, and it just didn't work. It came apart while we were on the ship, which is one of the reasons why I didn't do very many videos, because I was scared to death I was going to drop the camera. But I knew that we had Aruba coming up, and Aruba has a lot of camera shops. So I went into 2 of them, and they did not have the housing. And I went into the 3rd one, and the girl that was waiting on me said, well, I don't know, let me talk to the boss. Well, he came over and he said, just so happens that I got a housing in, and I will sell it to you, and I will order a new one, which will come tomorrow, for the man that I bought this one for. So that's what we did. And it was not an actual GoPro housing. And I couldn't get the back door off to put the underwater door on. And I mean, I was happy to have it because it allowed me to start taking videos again. It wasn't quite right, but it would do. We spent a lot of time doing that. We retired, we went back to the ship, and Bruce took some sunset pictures. We are in port, and this is one of the pilot boats, and the other one is right down here. And they will be taking us out when it's time to leave, which happens to be around 10 o'clock tonight. And then the tugs are here for those ships that don't have, not nautically inclined, but don't have side thrusters. Then the tugs help them get into port.